really enjoy Light Up at Kingston because it's different, unusual.
Oh, it's just so much fun.
Favourite installation so far has been the maze.
I saw the bubble tube earlier and this looked very cool.
I really enjoyed the seahorses so far.
One's got shine.
I enjoyed walking around Nova because it lit up in different colours. You know, something to do in the evening with the kids, couples.
It seems like really good fun for the children.
And it's great to have something like this local rather than going into a big city. It's a great opportunity to get discounts from the town.
So I'm definitely going to run around and make sure I get all the stamps.
Kingston's a great place to come shopping because of the wide range of shops.
And they have the market, food.
It's fresh, it's lively, it's got a lot going for it, and it's a great art scene.
And of course, it's next to the river.
I think people should come and see Light Up Kingston because it's a different experience for them.
The concert might be fun.
So I say, come on down before it's gone.